In the cooler months, one of the hottest things you can have in your garden is a fire pit.
Put a fire pit in your backyard and watch people flock to the flame. Ours is the heart and hearth of our garden, a place where we roast marshmallows with the kids, have cosy date nights by the fire, or chill out with a good glass of red. It's also a great way to get out and enjoy your garden throughout the cooler months. Northcote Pottery's Ramada fire pit is the perfect entertaining piece, with a rustic style and a great space below for log storage. It has a big bowl for larger burning capacity, which means lots of cosy hours by the fire.
And what do you do with your fire pit when the weather turns warm? You plant it out, of course. How amazing does this look? So now you can make your fire pit the hero of your garden in every season.